How to shrink your grocery bills. 7 ways to shrink your grocery bills. Use a list and stick to it. That is the #1 way to save. Never shop for groceries when you are hungry. Leave family members at home so that you can focus on finding bargains. Buy items you use often in large quantities when they are on sale. But never buy an item simply because it is on sale. Don't be deceived by fancy wrappers or the clever advertising. Instead, check out unit prices like price per ounce to compare brands. When you find the best price is on generic or store brand, grab it. Shop at several stores so you'll know which one has the best deals. If you know there is a bargain across town, ask your favorite store to match the price. Skip the single serving packets of instant oatmeal. You will save more than half the cost when you buy quick oats in a can. Become a smart shopper today and save money. How to have more money to spend. Zig Ziglar says, money is not everything, but it hangs right up there with oxygen. Click the link below for the secret of easy money method.